In this video, I'm coming with a great news for PowerPoint users and people who love PowerPoint for video creation, presentations and design. So if you are a person who takes PowerPoint as a lifesaver, then this video is for you. There are many people who are looking to make animated videos, but they don't know how. I'm going to show you how to make animated explainer video or presentations without installing any software, just using PowerPoint. Did you know over 85% of internet users watching online videos and more than 70% of people decide to buy after watching a promotional video? Animated explainer video are one of the best types that convert potential buyers into hungry customers. Unfortunately, creating animated explainer video is a big job. It takes a really big scriptwriter, animator, videographer, composer, designer, and editor, and also require a mastery over a complicated software. If you want an easy one, of course you'll have to spend a lot of money to pay the person who will make the animated video for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you the easiest way to create an animated video like a PowerShell by using PowerPoint. This product breaks down the stigma of PowerPoint just for a boring presentation into powerful tool. By using this toolkit, you can make professional looking presentations and explainer video using PowerPoint. It's so easy that literally anybody at any level of experience can do it. So let's get started. The name of this toolkit is Livideo Animatum Volume 2. You can find a Volume 1 of this toolkit on this channel. I have given the link in the description box below. Okay. This toolkit is not a software. You don't need to install this on your computer. You don't need to pay monthly or yearly for this toolkit. It's a downloadable digital assets like PPT templates, different kinds of graphics that are really helpful for designing your day-to-day digital life. And there are also a different kinds of animated GIFs that you can add to your explainer video or your presentations. Okay. You can download this bundle of assets by clicking the link in the description box below. You can check that. Okay. Now let's check out this toolkit on PowerPoint and let's know how this toolkit will help you to make high quality animated presentations and animated videos. After download these assets, you will get these folders. These folders having a bunch of graphic assets that you can add to your PowerPoint presentations or explainer video. In module 1, you will get 2D characters, and in module 2, you will get 3D characters. In module 3, you will get 2D video explainer templates. In module 4, you will get 3D explainer video templates. In module 5, 2D banner animation. In module 6, 3D banner animation. In module 7, 2D background scenes. In module 8, 3D background scenes. In module 9, you will get 2D object assets. In module 10, you will get 3D object assets. In module 11, you will get a step-by-step tutorial about how to customize this template and how to use this toolkit to make a professional animated explainer video using PowerPoint. So you don't need to be confused about how to use it. This step-by-step tutorial in this module level folder will help you. Okay. Now I'm going to show you an interesting thing in this Livideo Animatum Volume 2. In Module 2, they are providing a bunch of 3D characters for your presentations and your explainer video. But it's not a GIF or video file, it's a FBX format. You can insert this file to your PowerPoint and this 3D file will be added to your PowerPoint. I'll show you how. First go to PowerPoint, then click Insert. And as you can see 3D models, click that, then choose from device, then go to module 3 folder. Here they are providing 3D animated characters. Click any of the character you like. As you can see the FBX format file, click that, then this character will add it to your PowerPoint. You can adjust the character size here like this. Then here is the interesting thing comes in. You can change the character animation or actions directly from your PowerPoint. I'll show you how. Go to animation section. Then as you can see the animation, click that, then you can see the animation of this character is changing. Super, right? You'll get different animations and poses of this 3D character by changing the scenes in this animation section. You can also change the camera angle of this character by changing the angle here or manually by using your mouse. They are also providing a bunch of pre-made ready to use animated templates that you can use for. You can easily customize this template. You can change the text by clicking this text box, and you can also add extra 3D character by clicking this insert, then select the 3D models and choose from device. Then in module 3 folder, you'll get a bunch of 3D characters. Select one of the character that you like, then click this FBX file. Then this character will add it to your PowerPoint. Then you can adjust it to your needs. They have done everything in their tutorial videos on how to use this toolkit to make an awesome presentations and videos using PowerPoint. You can find these tutorial videos in module level folder. Okay, not only 3D characters in this toolkit, you will also get a tons of 2D characters. Now let's see what is included in this toolkit. This toolkit includes
2D characters, 3D characters, 2D explainer video templates, 3D explainer video template, 2D animated banner templates, 3D animated banner templates, 2D backgrounds, 3D backgrounds, 2D object assets, 3D object assets, and an exclusive e-course that will help you to create professional 2D and 3D animated videos with LiveVideo Animatoon Volume 2.
I'm sad to say this toolkit is a premium toolkit. It costs $37, but don't worry, I will give you a coupon code. If you apply this coupon code, you will get $7 off. After clicking the link in the description box below, you will reach this page. Scroll down, click this buy now button, then type your email here. Guys, please make sure to give the correct email because the download link of this toolkit will be sent to your email. So make sure to double check the enter email is correct or not. Okay. Then in this coupon code section, type Animatoon2, then click apply. As you can see, we got $7 off. You only need to pay $29.97. By default, they are provided only one payment option, PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, you can pay through debit or credit card inside this PayPal. After enter your email and coupon code, click this PayPal button, then you will redirect to the PayPal page. If you have a PayPal account, click this login button and purchase this toolkit. Or as you can see, the option pay with credit or debit card, click that and fill up these details and click this continue to purchase this toolkit. Okay, they are providing a commercial license in this payment, so you can able to sell your work as a freelancer or service. And this is a one-time payment, you don't need to pay monthly or yearly. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope this toolkit will make your boring presentation to engageable one. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and also a subscribe button, and as always said, see you on the another great video.